Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block websites on Google Chrome using a simple browser extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the Extensions option. This will open up a side menu that shows you extension-related features and tools available in Chrome. From this side menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you to the official Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install thousands of extensions to enhance your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top of the page to search for block sites. This will help you find extensions specifically designed to block and filter websites according to your preferences. Once the search results appear, look for the block site extension and click on it. This extension is one of the most popular tools for managing website access and improving productivity. After clicking on the extension, you'll see an option that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. This confirms that you want to install the block site extension and grants it the necessary permissions to function properly. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the extension installs on your Chrome browser. This usually takes just a few seconds, and you'll see a notification once the installation is complete. The extension is now integrated into your browser and ready to use. Once the installation is done, look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this extensions icon to view all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, locate and click on the block site extension. This will open the extensions interface where you can configure all your blocking settings. When the block site interface opens, you'll be greeted with the terms and conditions. Click I accept to agree to the terms and move forward with setting up your blocked websites list. Next, you'll see the main dashboard of the extension. Click on Edit Block List to access the area where you can add specific websites you want to block. In the block list editor, click on Add to Block List. This opens up the options for adding new sites. You'll see different categories, so make sure to click on websites since that's what we want to block in this case. Now, in the search field that appears, enter the website you want to block. For example, you can type tiktok.com. As you type, the extension will recognize the website address. After entering the website, you'll see a plus icon appear beside it. Click this plus icon to add the website to your block list. This confirms that you want this specific site to be blocked whenever you or anyone using this browser tries to access it. Once you've added all the websites you want to block, click Done to save your changes and exit the block list editor. Now, let's test if it's working. Try to navigate to the website you just blocked, for example tiktok.com, and you'll notice that the site is now blocked and you can't access it. This confirms that your block site extension is working perfectly and protecting you from accessing distracting or unwanted websites. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.